Here's what you'll need for a delicious take on a tiramisu recipe. Chocolate orange, delicious. So you'll need some chocolate, you need mascarpone cheese, some eggs, some orange extract. Get extract if you can, not just flavouring, it's a lot better for you. And some chocolate hazelnut spread, caster sugar, and I use these chocolate chip cake bars because it's a chocolatey recipe instead of the lady's fingers. And of course some oranges. First thing we're going to do is give your oranges a wash and then get the zest off there. When you've got the zest off them, it's then time to get the juice and just put that to one side in a separate bowl. When you've juiced your oranges, save them because we're going to pick these bits of flesh out and add them to the tiramisu as well. With the oranges sorted, now time to get on with your filling, and the first thing we're going to do is separate 4 eggs. With them separated, we're going to whisk up the egg whites until they form nice peaks. When they form nice little peaks like that, it's time to turn your attention to your egg yolks. Into your egg yolks with your sugar, and then mix them up until they're nice and creamy. When that's nice and creamy, going in with your orange extract, and then your mascarpone cheese. And then we're going to get these all mixed together. With that nicely mixed, it's time to go back to your egg whites, and then we're just going to fold these in bit by bit. With your egg whites mixed in, it's time to go in with half of your zest, just to add a bit more interest so it's not just a bland creamy colour. With everything mixed in, it's time to pop that into the fridge just to firm it up a little bit. With your mixture in the fridge, it's time to go back to those used half orange segments, and we're just going to get out these orangey bits. With everything ready, it's now time to build your dessert up. So in my case, I'm going to cut these cake bars in half. If you're using ladies' fingers, you don't have to bother. Then I'm just going to put some orange juice in there where you'd normally put coffee for tiramisu. And onto there with some of your chocolate hazelnut spread. And then we're going to do that until you've filled up the whole bottom layer. When you've got a layer down, just sprinkle a bit more orange juice about, and then go in with half of the orange pieces, and then we're going to give it a coating of this deliciousness, and then we're going to start the whole process again. So you're putting your lady's fingers, or sponge cake in my case, and making another layer just as you've done on the bottom. When you've got another layer in, then again just on with the orangey bits, and then the rest of your delicious concoction. Onto there, going with the rest of the zest from your orange, and then finally we're just going to scrape some chocolate, or you could just grate it on with a grater. And then all that's left to do when you've finished that is to make sure you get yourself a portion before everyone else grabs it.